among the very intelligent YouTube channels that you can follow, there is this channel called Urban Fight. That it's like anything related to basically, very complicated things like the stock market or generally it's a very cerebral channel to follow. It's called Urban Fight, and I've been told that I look like the lady in Urban Fight, the lady who they also Hyderabad based. And it's I mean, I'm told it began as a fitness channel, but then later, now it's about how to, invest your money, how to, understanding taxes, and these really, like I said, cerebral topics. So do try and check it out. It's called Urban Fight, and it's very like you feel like you're connecting with a person, because it's got that certain appeal to it, down to earth charm. So Urban Fight it is, and you can find it on YouTube. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.